사람이 불가능이란 없는 미국 사회. I will make Dalgona coffee. Yay! Firstly, I have to prepare 1 cup. Actually, these ice cubes are so big, so it is not easy to stir the coffee, but I don't know, I'm still using it. And let's pour some milk, and then let's make a espresso 2 shot. Now let's break it. Honestly, it is a little bit smoky. I think I make the sugar melted part too long, so it makes it a little bitter. Let's stir a little bit, because too honest too later is not beautiful. And then put your Dalgona. I made this Dalgona by some microwave. So if you have sugar, milk, and baking soda, you can make. Oh my goodness. 나 달고나 진짜 오랜만에 먹어봐. I guess I need to wait a little bit to be melted, this Dalgona. This is my first taste test. It is becoming melted.